As part of our journey to Goal Zero, we've moved to the next stage, living Goal Zero. This means closer focus on preventing serious injuries and fatalities, known as SIF or SIF. We're communicating this by using 8 icons that bring greater visibility to SIF exposures. This will allow everyone to identify SIF precursor events, fix safety systems, or simply follow correct behaviors depending on your role. To develop these 8 life-saving icons, we analyzed industry statistics and our own injuries, particularly serious injuries and fatalities. We discovered 8 core hazard areas, which these 8 life-saving icons seek to address. Living Goal Zero means being aware of SIF precursors and controlling exposure every day. And when we all do it together, we're closer to Goal Zero. We already have a framework in place for addressing safety and health in diverse workplaces. For example, we use safety meetings to discuss all aspects of the program, especially worksite hazard assessment and control activities. Only personnel trained and authorized to do the job can be used. Correct personal protective equipment must be worn at all times. An emergency response plan must be in place prior to starting any work. If you're in doubt, or any employee feels a task is not safe, they're authorized to stop work. We're now ready to build on this platform with our 8 life-saving icons. Part of your job is to ensure these icons are immediately recognized and understood everywhere, as easily as living and breathing. Here they are. Hazard control. Be sure to plan ahead. Visit the workplace and check the required controls are in place. Authorize any amended controls where new hazards have been identified or anything has changed. Competency. Confirm that employees are trained and competent to perform assigned work tasks or operate equipment. Impairment. Take action if anyone is under the influence of drugs or alcohol. Watch out for fatigue or illness that could lower alertness. And only assign fit-for-duty employees for work. Line of fire. You need to verify that employees know the danger zones. Plan vehicle and equipment movements with emphasis on minimizing backing. Instruct employees as to line-of-fire hazards within their respective work operations. Monitor employees to ensure they're keeping out of the danger zones. Fall prevention. Plan work to avoid working at height where possible. Provide barriers or other protective environments where possible. Provide confirmation that it's safe for employees to work at height. Verify that employees have had proper training on fall protection and 3 points of contact. Road safety. Only authorized employees can drive company vehicles, especially large trucks and commercial vehicles. Monitor the performance of employee drivers of company vehicles and train in good practice. Energy isolation. Confirm that isolation procedures and zero energy are in place. Confirm that no stored energy remains. Confirm that work is safe to begin. Health hazards. Ensure that safe work-related policies are being followed for health hazard exposures. Know the signs and symptoms of heat-related illness and take precautionary measures if suspected. Verify employees are wearing proper PPE as required. Living Goal Zero is all about you ensuring your team members understand what these icons represent. You start by developing a personal action and communication plan, one that demonstrates your visible commitment and your "this is the way we work" mentality. Giving people positive recognition is the best way to motivate desired behaviors. You'll back this up by monitoring, verifying, and participating in the whole process every day. So remember, your basic elements are already in place. you have to generate maximum awareness of SIF precursors. You need to back this up with your own visible commitment. That's Living Goal Zero.